What's up guys, this is your boy JaaM Tariq Javed. Welcome to my channel Crazy JaaM. This video is going to be very crazy because in this video I'm going to blast this handmade bank. We call it in our local language Guoluk. We see the reaction. This is a bomb. This video is going to be very crazy. I have a request for you guys. Watch the video till end. We will see you after the video. Let's enjoy the video.
No.
Shit. God way. guys, this is going to be very interesting. Look at the details. You see nothing on the floor because blasting blow up the Guoluk. We call it handmade Guoluk. I guess you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.
Olmaz derler. Onlar gibi düşünmedikçe çoban derler. Biz Müslümanız, düşüncemiz hüsnü zandır. Bak istediğin güçle saldır. Biz Rabbe müptelayız.